Hey, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to use this really cool app called Spritz. But before we do, I'm going to show you how I've figured out this amazing technology to teleport myself. It's unbelievable. It's absolutely unbelievable. I mean, check this out. Like, look over here. Whoa, this is so cool. Whoa, glad that's over. Okay, I'll never do that again. Don't ever tell anyone how to teleport, whatever you do. Okay, moving on. What we're going to talk about is how to use this really cool little application I just discovered called Spritz. Now, I don't know if this application is good at all. This is not an endorsement. This is exploration. It's technology. It's brand new technology. We're going to see if it's any good. So it's something you guys can try out. The goal of Spritz is to help you read faster. But if you're going to use it, you kind of got to use it like an adult, not like a child would. Which, as a child would look at an application used to make you read faster and think like, that's amazing, I'll read 1,000 words per minute. No, you won't. Spritz doesn't necessarily make you a better reader. It just maximizes your potential as the reader you are. And here's how it works. You're going to go to the website spritzinc.com, or if you just Google the term Spritz, S-P-R-I-T-Z, and don't look up Spritz cookie recipes, whatever those are, you'll go to this website, Spritz. And the way Spritz works is like this. I'll show you a little demo. It says click to Spritz. It shows you one word at a time whatever is on the page, whatever text is on the page. And now sometimes it won't work because Spritz is reading the page, and sometimes Spritz doesn't know how to read. And so I just tried it on this question and answer thing on a mountain bike forum, shocking, that I was on, and it didn't work at all. It was random bits of text from all over the page. But assuming it works, it could actually help you potentially read faster. You can scale the speed up and down. So I could set it to 700 words per minute, and then, no, I can't read that. I can't read 700 words per minute. But on average, the average adult reads about 300 words per minute. Maybe I try to bump it to 4 and see if I could read 400 words per minute. Now, I wouldn't do this if I were reading a poem for pleasure. I wouldn't do this if I were reading a piece of text to study closely in class. But maybe your first read through something, maybe your first read of directions, maybe you're reading a news article. If you have to read a lot of something, you might use Spritz occasionally. And so what your job is to bookmark Spritz and try it out. And in the post, write about two things. Write about one, what speed do you think it worked well using? And then, do you like it at all? Did it seem helpful? So two things. What speed do you like using Spritz at? Or you could just say not at all. And then two, do you think it's useful? Or where did you find use for it? So, to do that, you click this button that says Get Spritz. Where can I experience Spritz? Well, you can do it you can get it on your phone. I just downloaded an app for my phone. Huffington Post, if you're into news for old liberals, or different places have Spritz. One thing you can do that's actually not super intuitive, it's right here. It says click here to get the Spritzlet. If you get the click there, then you can just drag this button up into your bookmarks. Now you might not have your bookmarks showing. If you're in Chrome, the way to do it is click these 3 lines, hover over the bookmarks, and then make sure Show Bookmarks bar is selected. If it's not, you click it and it pops up. Then you just drag the Spritzlet button up there. I already have mine drug up there. And then you can adjust the speed at which you read. And then you can go to any website you want, like this Pink Bike site, and then I hit Spritzlet, and then it starts playing at the speed I set it up for. So, kind of cool. If you answer those two questions, what speed do you like Spritz at, and do you think it works well for you, in the post below, then you'll get the badge for this.